Hello everyone, my name is Fauzihain Abu Bakar. You can call me Ogy, and I am your facilitator. Now, as a true Malaysian, I am traditionally raised as a kampung girl, and I am really proud of that. Nevertheless though, most of my education and corporate career has occurred in the Western world. A life that requires some adjustment on my behaviors in order to adapt to the changing world, the world that I wasn't very familiar with at first. Such experiences have influenced my facilitation style, in which I like to offer these experiences of all this world that I have learned from to you. By merging these knowledge and experiences, we will together broaden our horizon and see the world as a bigger world. For us to see the bigger world, behavior change must take place. I am truly passionate about people. I am always on a mission to help you to know something you didn't know before and to do something you could not do before. And together we will do it in class, also in our life. Putting experiences and passion together is a series of training that is focused on human behavioral science, learning from others' success and bring that learning into our own personal success and offering that success to the world. To that end, I want to empower you to seek your answers through personal experiences, sharing of experiences, and self-directed improvement that we will do together during class. I have 25 years of experiences in oil and gas, banking and research, and I want to offer these experiences to you through case studies to enhance our learning experiences. I am known to others as energized, dynamic speaker, deeply passionate, and fun, happy person, and I want to be exactly that with you in class. So don't wait too long. Do come to my class at Globaux.Academy, and I promise you a really good time as we learn together. So see you soon everyone in class.